Welcome to Sharda University. Sharda University is evolving to a unique campus for community development and value-based learning.
Sharda University is a part of Sharda Group of institutions. The SGI Group has 4 campuses incorporating 14 colleges across Agra, Mathura and Greater Noida. SGI houses 25,000 students and alumni strength in India and abroad. There are students from 26 countries and 28 Indian states in a multidisciplinary campus.
I invite you to this university and see how Sharda University offers multifaceted dimensions to your personality.
Sharda University's global vision is amply reflected in the vision statement and exceeding of expectations. Sharda envisions to become a global center of learning to promote professional excellence and innovation. Sharda University is a world-class UGC-approved university. Approved by MCI, DCI, Council of Architecture and so forth. A global center of learning with professional excellence and innovation, global students and world-class curriculum, sprawling over 63 acres. In pursuance of excellence, Sharda has bestowed with numerous awards. School of Engineering and Technology. Here, an unfettered spirit of knowledge and exploration, academic integrity and accountability, and promotion of intellectual excellence makes SET distinct from the rest. School of Business Studies. SBS provides management education with innovative applied research, practice-based and harnessing technology and best management practices to shape tomorrow's leaders. School of Dental Sciences. SDS provides state-of-the-art courses with classroom learning adequately supported with experimental learning. School of Medical Sciences and Research. SMSNR is a world-class medical college offering contemporary medical knowledge. The college is also equipped with all the modern facilities and equipments to provide total health care under one roof. School of Allied Health Sciences. School of Allied Health Sciences offers various programs in allied sciences related to medicine, nursing, clinical research, physiotherapy, dietetics. School of Art, Design and Media Studies. The school offers various programs School of Law. The school offers various programs in law. School of Basic Sciences and Research. The school offers various programs School of Languages and Culture. Sharda University proposes to offer the language courses School of Architecture and Planning. The school offers the Bachelor of Architecture program.
Sharda University was established with a vision to be a globally respected center and encourage diverse ideas, beliefs and culture. We are committed to promote leadership and excellence through innovation and continuous learning.
Sharda University has entered into strategic tie-ups with leading global universities to empower its students and propel them on the global stage.
Here at Sharda, you get knowledge which is endless and beyond boundaries.
With a vision to make Sharda University a global education hub, an array of facilities are offered. The Research and Technology Development Center, RTDC at Sharda, conducts cutting-edge research in the frontier areas. Galaxy of world-class faculty.
I'm Michael Barbas, Professor of Marketing at Sharda University, previously teaching at State University of New York, Empire State College International Programs. At Sharda, we go poles to render a different direction to learning, simply because among our faculties, you'll find eminent educationalists straight from North Pole to South Pole.
Credit-based learning system to accelerate power of intelligence. Sharda University offers practice-based learning, stimulating teaching and continuous evaluation. Training and placements in leading corporates, giving students their rightful place. The admissions cell at Sharda University not only facilitates students in admissions, but also guides and informs students about various career options. A round-the-clock, live, interactive and dedicated call center takes care of all student queries, telecounseling and various other systems of student-institution communication. To keep tomorrow's path breakers in shape, SMSNR has a co-located 500-bedded multi-speciality Sharda Hospital, one of the modern hospitals in Delhi NCR.
Seeing is believing. I invite you to Sharda to see how this university is emerging as a global university. Sharda University welcomes those who want to become a global citizen and rise beyond boundaries.
At Sharda, we go beyond classroom teaching. We touch the horizon.
The world is here at Sharda University. Where are you?